Hi there, fellow tech enthusiasts and parents. Imagine giving your child the ultimate thrill of piloting their very own fighter jet through the sky. Today, we are looking at the best RC planes for kids that bring high-flying adventure right to your backyard. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Designed for young pilots who want to take to the skies, the Gravity Gliders SU-27 RC plane brings the pure excitement of aviation directly into your hands. If you are looking for an amazing toy that combines fun, education, and outdoor adventure, this model is an absolutely fantastic choice. Inspired by the legendary Su-27 fighter jet, which is a famous third-generation all-weather air superiority aircraft, this wonderful plane captures the awesome look and spirit of its real-life counterpart. However, unlike complicated hobbyist models, this aircraft is completely adapted for beginners and young flyers. It perfectly balances an aggressive appearance with forgiving flight mechanics that make it a joy to operate from day one. When it comes to flying toys, small crashes and hard landings are definitely going to happen, especially with beginners learning the ropes. To solve this, Gravity Gliders built this entire plane from a specialized, lightweight, and highly durable EPP foam material. This specific type of foam is vital because it makes the aircraft incredibly light so it can catch the wind and glide effortlessly. At the same time, the EPP foam is incredibly flexible and resilient. It can easily bounce back from bumps, falls, and unexpected nosedives into the grass, ensuring safety and a long lifespan for outdoor play sessions. Getting the plane into the air is incredibly simple and highly enjoyable for anyone. It features two different takeoff methods, giving you the flexibility to gently launch it by hand or let it take off from a flat surface. For children learning how to fly, keeping a plane steady in the air can often be a tricky challenge. But this amazing model includes a built-in automatic flight stabilization system. Thanks to the smart gyroscope working behind the scenes, the flights remain incredibly steady, balanced, and precise. The plane uses a very simple two-channel control setup, meaning that even first-time flyers can easily navigate the open sky without ever feeling overwhelmed by a controller with too many complicated buttons or switches. To give you the absolute best and most responsive connection possible, the Gravity Gliders SU-27 operates on a highly reliable 2.4 GHz radio control system. This ensures a remarkably strong and completely interference-free signal. You can even have multiple planes flying in the same park at the same time without their signals crossing or causing any control issues. The controller allows smooth and easy movement in 4 basic directions, letting you fly up, down, left, and right for a highly engaging and realistic flight experience. Plus, it boasts an impressive route distance of up to 150 meters. This generous range gives young pilots plenty of room to explore the open skies in a large park or wide open field without losing connection. The fun and flying definitely do not have to stop when the sun starts to go down. To add to the sheer excitement, the Gravity Gliders SU-27 comes equipped with a bright and colorful LED light bar attached to the model. This beautiful addition creates stunning visual effects for nighttime flights and makes it super easy to track the fast-moving plane against a dark evening sky. The aerodynamic design perfectly mirrors that of a real military fighter jet, beautifully combining true aviation aesthetics with excellent flight performance. Powering this awesome aircraft are two included rechargeable 3.7-volt 250 million ALM lithium batteries. Gravity Gliders kindly provides these batteries to offer extended playtime and keep the outdoor fun going for as long as possible. The charging process is very straightforward and convenient. A full charge takes just about 50 minutes to complete, and that quick turnaround will give you roughly 15 minutes of dynamic nonstop flying time in the air. This gives kids and parents plenty of opportunities to master tight maneuvers, soar high above the trees, and enjoy the absolute thrill of piloting a fast fighter jet together. Before you can run outside and take to the skies, there is a quick and simple assembly required. You only need to attach the battery, clip on the wheels, and secure it a tail before your first flight. It is so easy that kids can help put it all together in just a few short minutes. For the absolute best flying experience, pilots are advised to fly the plane in open areas with mild weather conditions, making sure there is no strong wind that could blow it off course. When launching, starting with a throttle of 30 to 40% is the absolute perfect way to maintain a smooth, controlled flight right from the start. Are you ready to rule the skies with this amazing fighter jet? Check the price link in the description to grab one for your next family adventure. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo so you never miss out on our latest tech and gadget videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy flying!